Today, we will talk about 10 best alternatives for Binance. Binance has been under flack recently from different countries because of regulatory issues. Recently, Binance has advised its users in Malaysia and Singapore that they will no longer cater to them. And because of that, we think it makes sense for crypto traders to come to know of some alternatives to Binance. Similarly, Binance bowed to pressure from Japan, the UK, and Italy, and is already in the moves to set up headquarters in those locations. This is in response to the respective governments laying down regulations on cryptocurrency marketplaces and trading platforms. 1. Crypto.com. Crypto.com is a huge cryptocurrency trading platform that boasts itself as an all-in-one ecosystem for payments and trading. The platform will allow users to buy, exchange, and spend cryptocurrencies with real-time crypto-to-crypto conversion, crypto Visa card, and payment services for merchants. Crypto.com was founded in 2016 in Hong Kong. As mentioned, it offers a lot of features for its millions of users, like the ability to earn through staking, as a payment gateway for merchants, and metal Visa cards. It also offers loans of up to 50% of the amount you have within the platform. 2. CEX.io. Launched in 2013, CEX is a London-based exchange that's been around for some time now. It's one of the first exchanges to allow Ethereum trading, and it has an excellent track record with withdrawals. All transactions are processed immediately, and you're not waiting at the mercy of the backlogs. The company appears highly capable and experienced, which is key if you want to make secure trades with your coins. The fees for trading are 0.23% for the taker and 0.15% for the maker. Depositing money in CEX can cost you anywhere from $0 for bank transfers, 2.99% if depositing via credit card, and 3.99% if via Skrill. CEX.io is a UK-based company, but it operates worldwide, and all other countries outside of Europe will have the same fee structure as the United States. It's been in business for several years now and has processed billions of cryptocurrency trades, which indicates how reliable it is. It's also well known by many other traders who use it regularly to process large volume transactions using its efficient system. 3. Coinbase. Coinbase is a US-based exchange. It was founded in 2012, and it is considered one of the most popular exchanges in space today. As stated before, users are required to submit KYC for security purposes. Afterward, they can purchase various cryptocurrencies through credit card or bank transfer. The answer is too many to mention. Coinbase operates almost everywhere in the world, with over 100 countries, including 21 countries and territories in Asia, particularly Hong Kong, Japan, Indonesia, the Philippines, Singapore, Taiwan, and others. Fees are transparent depending on your payment channel. Fees for bank transfers range from 1.49% to 3.99%, while credit card payments have a fee of 3.99%. Other exchanges can have lower fees in certain cases, but Coinbase is one of the most well-known exchanges, so it's worth mentioning here. 4. Gemini. Since its launch in 2015, Gemini has aimed to provide an accessible cryptocurrency exchange that encourages the highest standards of compliance. The company was founded by Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss, the same Winklevoss twins who sued Mark Zuckerberg for stealing their idea for Facebook. The platform facilitates fiat-to-crypto purchases as well as crypto-to-crypto trading. Its fees are generally lower than other big exchanges, but it doesn't offer quite as many cryptocurrencies as some other exchanges on this list. They only offer around 40 coins. Gemini is one of the few US-based cryptocurrency exchanges that's fully compliant with all regulations about Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering laws. This means that, like other popular cryptocurrency exchanges, you're required to provide some level of identification when using Gemini. The fee structure is slightly different. You'll pay deposit fees for fiat currencies and withdrawal fees for cryptocurrencies. This not only makes it hard to make accurate comparisons with other cryptocurrency exchanges, but it really affects the overall value proposition of the platform. 5. KuCoin. KuCoin is a Singapore-based exchange and a good alternative to Binance. It offers an extremely similar selection of cryptocurrencies and is available in most countries. But when I say available, I am using the term quite loosely. It only means that there are no ongoing legal issues against them. But that doesn't mean they have the license to operate in your country. But again, it is available for use, and they don't actively reject customers. Easy to say that if you're a resident of Singapore, then KuCoin is the #1 choice for ease of use. It's a pretty straightforward exchange and offers all the standard features you might expect from a crypto trading platform. What sets it apart from the others is its relatively low fees of 0.1% per trade for both maker and trader. It also supports quite a lot of coins and tokens. If you're into some not-so-popular coins, be sure to check their market section first before signing up. 6. Kraken. Kraken Crypto Exchange is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world based on volume. It's also one of the oldest, founded back in 2011. It is available in most countries around the world, which is a great plus. Kraken is available in Europe. That's where the headquarters is, Japan, Canada, the USA, Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, and several other countries in Asia. It supports a lot of coins and tokens as well. The only downside is that there are quite many reports of Kraken having really slow support response times. For an exchange as big as Kraken, I guess it is to be expected. Kraken Crypto Exchange is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world based on volume. It's also one of the oldest, founded back in 2011. It is available in most countries around the world, which is a great plus. 7. Bittrex. Bittrex is a US-based cryptocurrency exchange platform that offers the highest number of trading pairs, more than 190. It is one of the oldest exchanges still in operation, having launched in 2014. And since it abides by the regulations, it can operate legally in many countries, including the US. With 190+ trading pairs available, you'll likely find what you're looking for on Bittrex. As a US-based cryptocurrency exchange platform, it offers a wide range of altcoins, from established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum to less-known ones such as Burstcoin or Game Credits. 8. Gate.io. Gate.io is an excellent choice for investors looking to take advantage of crypto opportunities. It offers over 180 cryptocurrencies and is available in most countries. The fees are low compared to other exchanges. However, it does not support fiat deposits, meaning you can only deposit cryptocurrencies within the platform. As mentioned above, Gate.io offers over 180 coins, so your under-the-radar altcoin might be lying around here somewhere. And trading fees are very low at 0.2%. And since it does not support fiat currency deposits, crypto deposits and withdrawals are free. 9. Bitstamp. Bitstamp is another cryptocurrency exchange that was established in 2011. It's known for being the first fully licensed Bitcoin exchange in the world, and it's been around for a while. Although it supports only BTC, EUR, and USD, users can trade digital currencies peer-to-peer or via CFD trading. Bitstamp only supports around 40 cryptocurrencies and a few stablecoins like EURT, USDT, and USDC. It is also available in many countries and territories like the USA, all members of the EU, China, Hong Kong, Singapore, Japan, Australia, and dozens more. As for fees, like many others, it mainly depends on your 30-day trading volume in USD. But compared to the rest in the list, Bitstamp has a higher fee rate at 0.5% for more than $10,000 trade volume. 10. FTX. FTX is a secure high-performance trading platform with a suite of tools for professional traders. It offers products ranging from derivatives to volatility and leveraged tokens. The FTX spot market offers hundreds of different trading pairs, like the popular pairs BTC and USDT, ETA, and USDT, and of course, its own FTT and USTT. In addition to having multiple fiat currency gateways, FTX also has over $25 billion valuations as of writing this, with a fresh $420 million in new funding. Several factors make FTX more likable than Binance. Although the company is relatively new in the space, FTX has always prioritized security and experience for its customers. For one, unlike Binance, FTX is more conservative in abiding by regulations in the countries in which they operate. Most of FTX's services are available globally. However, due to legal restrictions, the company is only fully operational within certain countries. Most notoriously, FTX does not onboard people from Hong Kong, Thailand, Malaysia, Canada, and Japan. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.